Okay, everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make a Pooldeck canopy in Sketchup. Okay, first of all, you have to make Pooldeck itself. For the first, you can set the rotated rectangle, and then you can set the width of the Pooldeck. Maybe it's around 5000 millimeter. I'm sorry. And then you have to push it up maybe around 300 millimeter or maybe more. You can add 100 more of the thickness and just make it group. And then you can make a column with a rectangle. You can set any size of the column. You can set any size. You can push it up. You can push it up maybe around 2500 millimeter, right? 2500 millimeter. Sorry, I think it's too big. I think it's too big, so you can make it smaller than before. Maybe it's around 250 millimeter and approximately, and 530 millimeter. Then you have to make it group, and then you can make a component of this column. Okay, and then you have to move it to the left side. It's around 3000 millimeter, right? So you can see about it. Then you can make a rectangle with this tool. You can make a rectangle, and then you can just select this line, and you can adjust with the scale, and you can adjust the canopy wide, and then you can move this column to little bit more, little bit front. Anyway, then you have to push it down. Anyway, you have to push it down. Maybe approximately is around 130 millimeter, and just make it group. And also you have to offset it inside. You have to offset it inside around 8 millimeter, and then just push it down until it clear. Anyway, then you can make another frame in this area. You can select a rectangle, and then you can just push it to the front. You can just push it in this front, and then you can make it component and just create it. Okay, then after that you have to move it and just press Control, and then you have to select the end of position, and then you can type on your keyboard with 30 slash, and just press Enter, so it will be arranged automatically. And after that you can make another material of this main structure, or you can just this more light material, and you can adjust the profile with modify this line. Anyway, just press Control, and you can set the width at around 20 millimeter width, and then you can just move this line to a little bit left side with 20 millimeter, right? And you can move and copy this both of line with move and press Control. Okay, so you can see, but the flip side, you can push it a little bit more, around 10 millimeter, right? Then you can push it again with you can push it to the back with the same value, which is 10 millimeter also. So you can see about the more detail about the Pooldeck. I think if you feel it too large, you can push it to the back. Maybe you can make it equal with a Pooldeck canopy, and then you can or maybe you can make a section of the pool. You can make a section of the pool to represent it, or And first of all, you have to make the depth of the pool is maybe around 1100 millimeter, like this, and then you can adjust it, and you can continue. You can offset it outside. You can offset it outside around 300 millimeter, and then you can complete the basic pattern of this full section anyway, full structural section. Then you can push it to the back, and then just make it crude, and or you can make ceramic material of the pool anyway. Then you have to select this material anyway, then or you have to make a water object with a rectangle also, so you can set the depth of the water, and you have to push it back and just make it group, and just sign up with another material. So you can select water, then you can select water pool, and this you can select the opacity. Okay, and after that you can select the Pooldeck material with siding, of course, so you can see about the material about it, or you can make some barrier right here to make it more representative, maybe something like this. Okay, or you can set the concrete this, and then you can make it group anyway. You can make it group, and you can rotate it to be more representative, maybe something like this, and then you can move it on the to a little bit down anyway, or you can position it a little bit to the front. Yes, something like this. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope you will get a lot of advantage from my video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.